Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. Exceptional, exquisite, exclusive. Welcome to the XTS. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power tilt-down heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth streaming audio, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive, automated parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com adds the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. Cadillac is driving the world forward. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.